The TVS King Duramax Rickshaw in 2026 continues to be a trusted name in the three-wheeler segment, especially for urban and semi-urban transport. It is designed to handle daily commercial use while offering a balance of durability, efficiency, and practicality for drivers and operators. Its exterior design remains simple and functional, focusing more on strength than style. The solid body panels and reinforced chassis help the rickshaw withstand rough roads and heavy usage, which is essential in demanding transport conditions. The Duramax engine is a key highlight, known for its reliability and consistent performance. In 2026, the engine delivers adequate power for passenger and light cargo transport, making it suitable for crowded city routes as well as longer suburban runs. Fuel efficiency remains one of the strongest advantages of the TVS King Duramax. The rickshaw is economical to run, helping drivers maximize daily earnings while keeping fuel costs under control, an important factor in commercial operations. Ride quality has been improved over earlier generations, with a suspension setup that handles uneven roads reasonably well. While comfort is basic, it is sufficient for short to medium trips commonly associated with auto rickshaw travel. The cabin layout is designed with practicality in mind. Controls are easy to reach, visibility is good, and the driver's seating position supports long working hours, reducing fatigue during extended shifts. Passenger space is adequate for its class, offering reasonable legroom and headroom. The seating is firm but functional, ensuring passengers can travel comfortably on daily commutes. Maintenance and serviceability are major strengths of the TVS King Duramax. Spare parts are widely available, and servicing costs are relatively low, making it a preferred choice for fleet owners and individual drivers. Safety features are basic but dependable, focusing on structural stability and braking performance. While it lacks advanced safety technology, it meets the essential requirements for everyday transport needs. Overall, the TVS King Duramax Rickshaw in 2026 remains a practical and dependable workhorse. It may not offer luxury or advanced features, but its reliability, fuel efficiency, and low operating costs make it a strong choice in the commercial three-wheeler market.